The secret samurai word?
I don't know why you're asking me about it.
Beats me.
The samurai pizza cats dare you to guess it.
Cataclysmic.
Come on, you gotta be kidding.
Terrific.
A wise guy, huh?
You got some more symbols?
That was absolutely disgusting.
Meowabunga. Okay. Yeah.
The secret is out.
Spot Samurai Pizza Cats. Weekday mornings at 8 on Fox 31.
You are stronger than the rest and know it. The days and nights back you like bricks. You own the bones and the magic. You are more powerful than pain.
Be cool about fire safety.
Who are you?
See more smoke. Smoke detector. The more smoke I see, the more noise I make. And I see more smoke coming from that toaster.
Thanks for warning us, Seymour.
That's my job. I hate smoke. It's disgusting. It gives me a headache. So whenever I see it or smell it, I make this noise to warn you. 'Cause where there's smoke, there may be fire.
Good tip, Seymour.
How many smoke detectors do you have in your home? Count them. Is there one outside your bedroom? There should be. Tell your parents.
Be cool about fire safety.